Good day, my name is Musa Sanango, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pin more than 3 charts. So first of all, you pin 3 charts, 1 2 3, open. Then to pin the fourth chart, all what you do, you come to the third chart. This is the third chart. You mark it, and then you achieve it. Then you pin the fourth one, then you undo. This is how it is. You see, this is, I have 4 pin charts, and if you want to pin more than 4, maybe 5, let's say 5, yes, you mark all these 4 pin charts. Let me start, 1 2 3 4. Then you achieve them, then you pin the next one and undo. You see, you have 5 pin charts. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to drop your comments. Thank you. See you in the next video.